This car was a 1957 King Ranch wagon. Did this car 5 years ago, and this was right after I finished spraying it off the gun. After it was buffed, this was an absolutely gorgeous color combination, which, by the way, was the factory original colors. I also sprayed all the interior trim to the factory specs, which is just a bit darker green. He still has this car, as well as a couple others that I have done for the same guy. I have several customers from all around the United States that I have actually done multiple vehicles for. This vehicle was long before I started doing YouTube. Everything back then was through Facebook, and now it's kind of done a little bit of a switch. I'm doing more YouTube than anything. I do post in my Facebook page, Metal Art Customs, but it's not near as much. If you would like to keep up with all the projects going on around this shop, hit subscribe, give me a thumbs up, click the bell for notifications, leave me a comment on what you think of these jobs. Who knows what's coming in next? But I do know there is a lot of interesting stuff coming in shortly. You will want to stay tuned to see the progression on a lot of stuff, as well as the shop location. So if you would, please click the bell for notifications, hit subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and share my videos. Thank you. I truly appreciate each and every one of you.